Hi, this is Michael Ward, partner of Elliotts Accounting, talking about income tax exemption for university student guilds. Income tax is a federal tax. It may well be possible for a university student guild or union to be exempt from income tax as a charitable institution. Certain non-profit charitable institutions can be exempt from income tax. The advancement of education is a charitable purpose. If a student guild or union can be seen to have as its sole or dominant purpose a charitable purpose such as the advancement of education, there is a case to argue that it may be eligible for exemption from income tax. The student guild or union must be a non-profit organisation with no ability to distribute profit to members, and no surplus assets can be distributed to members on winding up the organisation. Its constitution must include appropriate non-profit and dissolution clauses. The objects clause in the constitution and the organisation's activities will determine if it satisfies a charitable purpose. As from 1 July 2000, a charitable institution must obtain formal endorsement from the Australian Taxation Office, or ATO, under Section 50.105 of the Income Tax Assessment Act 1997 to be exempt from income tax. The sole purpose of the institution must be charitable. A charity can also have purposes which, when viewed in isolation, would not be charitable, so long as they are no more than incidental or ancillary to the charitable purposes. That is, they are only done for the sake of or in furtherance of the charitable purposes. The ATO Tax Guide for Non-Profit Organisations on page 40 gives examples of charities being student union bodies if they are integrated in a particular university or college. If the ATO gives your organisation notice that it is endorsed as an income tax exempt charity, it is exempt from income tax and it does not need to lodge income tax returns unless specifically asked to. So it is quite possible with the right structure and objects that a university student guild could be exempt from income tax that could result in large savings for the guild or union. We have successfully acted for major university guilds in Queensland and have been able to successfully obtain income tax exemption for them, resulting in significant tax savings. Your guild or union may be eligible for income tax exemption. If you are interested in finding out whether you may be eligible for exemption from income tax, please contact Michael Ward of Elliotts Accounting on 0738 333 999 to discuss obtaining an initial assessment report of eligibility for exemption. If you are currently exempt from the income tax, you still need to regularly review your continuing exemption, as the law has changed and your objects and activities may also have changed. For a review of your continued entitlement to exemption, please contact Michael Ward of Elliotts Accounting on 0738 333 999 to discuss receiving a review report.